Series 7 Apple Watch. It's always a good day when Apple releases new products. I don't normally buy Apple Watches, but I wanted to try one this year. I haven't had an Apple Watch in several years. The Series 2 was the last Apple Watch I actually used, and the Series 7 is here. I just did an unboxing video for my iPhone 13 Pro Max, and we've got another new Apple product. Next up, MacBook Pro. That announcement should come on Monday, but right now we're going to focus on this Apple Watch Series 7. I've heard good things about this year. We're going to open this thing up. One of the things I've noticed on this box that I did not notice in the past, and it could be that it's just been a long time since I bought an Apple Watch. This box unfolds with these little cardboard tabs. That's really interesting. So these tabs pull apart here. And be careful not to rip it if you like to keep your packaging like I do. The most exciting part of unboxing these is knowing that there's a new Apple product inside the box. This is a unique unboxing for me. I've never unboxed any Apple product that folds apart like this. This is like opening a gift for sure. This is absolutely the first time I've seen anything like this with Apple. It beats those heavy plastic cases that they used to put the Apple Watches in. I'm really enjoying this new packaging for this Apple Watch. It's really festive. Back in the day, the Series 2 Apple Watch really didn't have much going on for it. So the first thing we're going to do once we put this packaging over to the side is I want to get in and take a look at the watch band, because I know the Apple Watch and the watch band are two different shades of green, and that's a pretty good contrast. I always get a kick out of pulling this plastic film off. This is my favorite part. In any of my unboxing videos, I love pulling the seals off. I can't help myself. Once we get that seal pulled off, we can get into the watch band box. You've got your standard, normal paperwork, the safety and information notices and all that stuff. Pretty standard. It's in a bunch of different languages. They could really convert this to digital, and I would be fine with that. And then we open it up, and we've got more of this festive packaging. Pictures everywhere. I really like this packaging. It's like origami almost. You unfold it, the more you unfold it, the more you see. And here we have the watch bands. We'll get those watch bands out. You got your small, and then you got your medium and large attachment. I'm really digging the green color. This reminds me of F8 green. F8 green is a color that Dodge uses on the Charger and Challenger vehicles, and it does remind me of that F8 green color. I chose green. I wanted red. That was my primary color that I wanted. Red was not available for pre-order for first day delivery, and I wanted first day delivery. Green was a close second, so I went with the green. And from the pictures that I saw online, the Apple Watch itself is not the same color as the Apple Watch band. So I'm really looking forward to getting into that Apple Watch itself so we can see how the colors differ. I'm going to lay these bands out now so you get a nice close-up look of that shade of green. I love that green, but let's get on to the watch itself. That's what we came here for. Now it's time for the main event. We're going to take a look at the watch itself. My first thought looking at this box before I open the tabs, it's a big box for such a small watch since the bands aren't in the box with the watch itself. Then I realized the charger's in there. This is the first year that the Apple Watch comes with wireless charging capability. It will charge from 0 to 100% in about an hour, but you have to use the charger that comes with it to achieve fast charging. The older Apple chargers will not work with fast charging, so if you want to fast charge your Apple Watch, you either have to use this Apple Watch charger or find a new one that is compatible by replacement. The old chargers will charge the Apple Watch, but not the fast charging capability from 0 to 100%. So you want to make sure you take that in mind if you have any of your old Apple Watch chargers. We'll take a closer look at that Apple Watch charger in just a second to see if anything has changed. This box doesn't want to seem to come open. There we go. Oh, that green strikes my eye right off the bat, but first we're going to take a look at the charger. Now, this little cardboard packet here, just the same standard information stuff. We're just going to throw that over to the side, and we're going to dig into this Apple Watch charger. It does look pretty much the same, but there's got to be some kind of difference to show that this has fast charging versus just having standard charging from the old models. Oh, there it is, USB Type-C. I don't understand why Apple doesn't just switch from Lightning to USB-C. I'm perfectly fine with the Lightning chargers, but they made the push to USB-C on their iPads. Now we've got it on the Apple Watch. The MacBooks have USB-C ports. Why still use Lightning? I don't understand that. Just go ahead and switch over to Type-C. Everybody else is doing it. And Europe, if Europe has their way, they're going to require it anyway. This green is really nice, but that looks like a protective film. Yeah, that Apple Watch itself is not that shade of green. That looks really, really dark. That's almost like the 11 Pro Max had that forest green, I believe is what they called it. That green is a dark, dark shade. That camera's having a hard time picking it up. The camera shows it's almost black, but to the naked eye, it's a very deep green. I love that. That's going to be a good contrast with that watch band. I can't wait to get this thing programmed in my phone and play with it. That's an awesome, awesome color. I'm going to try to switch cameras and see if I can get a better read on it. That green is almost black. The camera really doesn't pick it up. How dark that color is. That's so awesome. For it not to be black, but to still be green. You know, the band reminds me of the F8 green on the Challenger and Charger. This reminds me of the green on the back of the 11 Pro Max. Really, really like that. And that back is super nice as well. Alright, so let's wrap this video up. The next thing I want to do is install my bands and try the watch on. I want to show you what it looks like on your arm. I just realized that it's going to go on my right arm, and so that green is going to brush up against that red in my tattoo, and I think the red one would have showed up a lot better, but no complaints. That green is stunning. Love that color. Definitely made the right choice. Might pick up a red one too, just to be safe. Have a choice. That is an awesome, awesome color, and it fits really well. That large band is awesome. Anyway, you guys are going to get the Apple Watch Series 7. If you like this video, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, make sure you hit that bell so you get notified for all the videos. I appreciate you guys watching, and y'all take it easy.